Now, as you'll be creating code during this course, it's probably best to suggest some options to you. Now obviously if you already have an editor that you use for coding, then you can skip this section. But if you're new and you're not quite sure which way to go, I'll just provide a couple of options. Now, as I'll be using a Mac for this course, I'll actually be using Text Wrangler, which is a free piece of software that is very popular amongst developers, and it actually has features such as syntax highlighting, which is always useful. And obviously there are paid versions, such as the popular Coder 2, which again is very common amongst developers. But this is paid, like I say, I think it's around $99. So if coding is something you are serious about, then it's obviously a worthwhile investment. But like I say, during the course I'll be using this Text Wrangler, which is a free version for the Mac. Obviously there are versions for Windows, such as Notepad++, which again has a lot of features, such as syntax highlighting, which is always useful. And again, the ever popular Sublime Text, which is very common amongst developers. And again, there's always paid versions for Windows, such as Coffee Cup software. Again, this is a powerful HTML editor, and I believe it does come with a free version as well, so it's worth looking into. But obviously there are many different versions. It's important to find one that you are comfortable using and has all the features that you need. But like I said, I'll be using Text Wrangler for the duration of this course, which is a free piece of software for the Mac.